if you are hard gainer or ectomorph, this 1000 calorie super breakfast recipe will surely boost your weight gain journey. We will also show you how to absorb this 1000 calories in a very healthy way. This is easy to consume and you will easily fulfill your daily calorie intake, and this will surely help you to gain half pounds each and every day. That's a guarantee. Watch the full video and let's get started. We are going to make super weight gainer cornflakes, nuts and milkshake. So let's have a look at the ingredient. Oats 2 cups, wheat flakes 1 cup, cornflakes 1 cup, almonds half cup, walnuts 1/4 cup, raisins 1/4 cup, peanut butter 2 tablespoons and honey 2 tablespoons. Total 1100 calories approximately. Now the procedure. Preheat your oven for 10 minutes. In a small pan, mix sugar with honey and peanut butter. On medium heat, keep mixing them. In a large mixing bowl, mix oats, cornflakes and remaining ingredients. Pour in the warm honey and sugar mixture. Stir well to ensure even coating. Cook for about 20 minutes and allow it to cool. And your meal is ready. Add 1 cup warm milk and enjoy warm. This meal will give you enough calories and the highest level of nutrition. This is very delicious and it helps to put on tons of weight. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. For more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.